Narrated Abdullah bin Umar, Abu Bakr Siddiq said to the Prophet, O Allah, Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, teach me an invocation with which I am invoke Allah in my prayers. The Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, say, O Allah, I have wronged my soul very much, oppressed myself, and none forgive the sins but you. So please bestow your forgiveness upon me. No doubt you are the worthy of forgiveness, most merciful.
إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Allah names who commends with the most gracious, the most merciful.
Only those people are upon guidance from their Lord, and only they are to attain success. Undoubtedly, those is the whose destiny is disbelief. Muhammad, peace be upon me, it is the same for them whether you warn them or warn them not. They are not to be believed. Allah has set a seal upon their heart and ears, and over their eyes is a blindfold, and for them is a great punishment. And some people say that we believe in Allah and the last day, and they are not believers. They wish to deceive Allah and their believers, and in their reality they are deceived but not their own self, and they have not presumption.